Hello everyone, good morning. So today we all are here to discuss class 10th chemistry. Class 10th chemistry. And our chapter is carbon and its compound. Most important chapter of class 10, carbon and its compound. Here we all are here to learn about the elements named as the carbon is a non-metal. Its atomic number 6. That means all the versatile nature of carbon. It's another compound, carbon and its compound, that means organic compounds. So that means this is a very important chapter for us. And in previous class we all are here, we all are learn about that how many versatile nature of carbon is founded, allotropes, diamond, graphite, Buckminster Fullerene, their structures, their uses, and that's type of all criteria are learned by us. Again we are here to study this. That means we know the introduction. Carbon. Symbol C. This is the symbol. Symbol C. Its atomic number. Atomic number is 6, and its electronic configuration is 2,4. That means there is valence electron is 4. Clear? It is a non-metal. Its atomic number is 6, electronic configuration is 2,4 and valence electron is 4. कार्बन का सिंबल क्या होता है? C होता है. Completed. Now we all are again started about this. That means the lattice structure. A structure of carbon. This is carbon first cell. This is carbon nucleus. This is carbon first cell, and this is carbon second cell. When you write the arrangement, this is there 2 electrons in K cell, and this is its 4 electrons. 3 and 4 in L cell. K cell and L cell having 4 electrons. This is also called valence cell, containing 4 electrons, and hence its valency is also. Generally, carbon is a tetravalent. That is the reason it is tetravalent. That means always carbon form 4 bond. That means carbon always form 4 bond. That means that hence it's stabilize its valency and it's complete their octet, and hence carbon becomes stable. Due to the requirement of large number of electrons, it always ready to form covalent bond with the help of sharing electrons and mutual exchange of electrons between the element. Generally, I will show an example. Example is methane. Formula is CH4. CH4. You have to prepare C, having C 1, 2, 3 and 4 electron, and another one is hydrogen 1, 2, 3 and this is 4 hydrogen having 1, 2, 3 and 4 electrons. This is the arrangement regarding this. This is the arrangement regarding this. And this is complete octet of carbon. Carbon having 8 electron in it and hydrogen having 2 electron in it, and both are stable. So this is the properties of carbon. दैट मीन कार्बन की काफी सारे वर्सटाइल नेचर्स को हम लोग अभी स्टडी आउट करेंगे सिंगल बाय सिंगल, इंडिविजुअल बाय इंडिविजुअल। लेकिन अभी तक हम लोगों ने बस एक इंट्रोडक्शन के तौर पर ये पढ़ा है कि कार्बन की सिंबल सही होती है, इसका एटॉमिक नंबर 6 होता है, इसका इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन 2,4 होता है, इसके वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन 4 होते हैं, ये टेट्रावैलेंट होता है, इसकी वैलेंसी 4 होती है। एंड ऑल्सो वी हैव हियर टू लर्न अबाउट द एटॉमिक मास। Atomic mass is 12 gram or 12 AMU. 12 gram and 12 AMU is there the mass of carbon. At that means 1 mole carbon is equal to 12 gram. Close the bracket and start. So this is the short introduction of carbon. Short introduction of carbon, that means all the introductory things of carbon are arranged in there. Just take a screenshot of this. Okay, now I will erase it. Now we all are learn about the occurrence of carbon. What is the meaning of occurrence of carbon? This means that where carbon is located or usually found there. That means in terms of occurrence and see occurrence. There is two states here. First one is combined state, and another one is free state. What is the meaning of combined state and what is the meaning of free state? That means free state says about where the carbon present in the term of free atoms, free atoms, free substances. And the meaning of combined state, that means where is the carbon present in term of compound. That means many type of compound which contain carbon, that is known as combined state. That means where carbon present in compound, and here carbon present as a free substance in the individual. There are so many examples of this. Another first example of combined state: carbonates, carbides, carbon dioxide, CO, that means carbon monoxide, and फ्री स्टेट का टर्म्स जो है वो डायरेक्टली लिख सकते हैं कोल, डायमंड. That means all the term of coal, peat, bituminous, that's all are the combination of free state of carbon, and there is the compounding term of carbon present, that are the combined state usually. That means this is the occurrence of carbon. You have learned that, and you have also studied in the previous class. I will taught this in the offline classes. Again, take a screenshot with this. I will begin. Some versatile properties of carbon are also learned by us. That is, first is tetravalent. Tetravalent. Generally, as we know that, as we know that carbon is tetravalent. As we know that carbon is tetravalent, this means that it always forms four bonds to gain their stability. This is called tetravalent. As an example, I will show the example of methanes here. Generally, tetravalent is represented like this. Tetravalent is represented like this criteria. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4 bond of carbon. Another very unique properties of carbon, that means the carbon has a unique properties of the catenation. The term is catenation. This is usual so important properties of carbon, having more compounds found in the universe, found in nature, found in the versatile properties in terms. That means the properties sent to catenation. What is the generally catenation? That means you are in 2 words, you can write this is a self linkage. That means for the complete their stability, for getting more stable, for completing their octet, carbon generally combined with on. That means carbon, it's carbon first atom, this is carbon second atom. For the stability, both combine each other by the multiplicity of bonding. After multiplicity of bonding, this is also get stable and this is also get stable, and this mutual sharing is known as catenation. That means self-linkage. Not a carbon is only one atom having this property. There are many elements found in the periodic table having this properties of self-linkage, but carbon is one of them. And it is most important characteristic, then most important unique properties of carbon is catenation. That means you have write the definition of catenation. This means that for getting stable, carbon atom join itself together with That is called catenation. There is so many examples of this. That means this is the carbon first atom and this is carbon second atom. Both combine with one another to complete their stability, containing 3 hydrogen in it. 1, 2, 3 hydrogen. 1, 2, 3. This is not the mandatory of only hydrogen. There is also another atom also combined in them, but I am just compulsory to set the hydrogen in there. That means in term of compound hydrocarbon in it. But this is also consists many type of other elements. But you have to only use and you have already to take care. Carbons, every atoms are satisfied with the tetravalency. That means each carbon atom having to form 4 bonds in this. That means this carbon 1, 2, 3 and 4 bonds. This carbon also 1, 2, 3 and 4 bonds in it. That is the criteria of satisfying their valency, having completing their octet and become stable. This is C2, that means 2 carbon. This is also criteria is happened with the help of multiplicity bond. That means there is carbon 2. But you don't put 3 another elements and 3 another hydrogen in this, because you have only to take care about the tetravalency. That means you have to only take care about the formation of 4 bonds of carbon in it. That means you have to check this carbon atom having 2 bonds directly completed, and this is 2. This is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Again we have substituted another carbon. This is second one carbon atom. This carbon atom having 1, 2, this is 3 and this is 4. Again this is completed. This is also another example of this. 3 carbon atom. This carbon atom combined with another carbon atom having 3 bonds. That means another carbon having 3 bonds. Again we have to establish the tetravalency like this. This is another atom. This is another atom. This carbon atom also having 4 bonds. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Both carbon atoms are satisfied with the help of tetravalent. That means tetravalence is completed. Carbon gets stable. So this is process is known as catenation. This process is also known as self-leaving, and this is the very unique properties of carbon, having more than individual compounds in them. More than very type of versatile natures compound are found in the earth, in universe, are made up of carbon, and the carbon is one of the most important and most important component in them. That is the formation of organic compound. That means organic compound are those compound in which carbon is present as a main component. Many type of inorganic compound we have seen that in the lab, that you see in the copies, books, etc. things. That means where carbon is present in inorganic compound, but the carbon present is not as an important component. This is present in the side chain. So this is the formation of the organic compound and inorganic compound. This all are studied by us in next class or in the next session, next lectures. So these are the 2 properties. These are the 2 main important properties, that means tetravalent and catenations. You have to study about it. You have to learn the definition. You have to completely understand the subjections of the marks. This is most important for this. This is also in the CBSE exams that you are in from the class 10th. Your next exam term 2 are going to be subjective as per CBSE rules. That means the question will be asked. What is the reason of many carbon compounds present? What is the reason of many types of carbon compounds? What is the reason? So you have to say the reason is catenation. This is the reason of, this is the unique property of catenation. This is the unique property of carbon having more compound found in the earth. So these all are the criteria having we are learned here. After that, we all are learn about the allotropes of carbon. That means what is the meaning of allotropes? What is the meaning of allotropes? This is the human brain having a beast helping. That means when you see anything that in your brain asks something questions about like that, what is this, how is this, and how many you do like that. Then criteria is the allotropes. What is the meaning of allotropes? From where allotropes come? That means allotropes is the word that means allotropy. Allotropy. Just see the word allotropy. That means allotropes, that means those type of substance whose chemically same, but their physical appearance are different. Understand or not? Physical appearance are different, that means their physical structure are different, but they all are chemically same. That is called allotropes. There are many allotropes of carbon are found, that means graphite having contain carbon, diamond also contain carbon. There is another man-made carbon allotropes are found, that is Buckminster Fuller's, an American chemist Buckminster Fuller invented. She arranged 60 carbon atoms in a pentagonal and hexagonal rings in a football-like structure, that is called Buckminster Fuller's. After that, many type of other fluorines are formed. This is C58, C63, C72. That's all are the criteria in hand are completed. But the first fluorine is formed by the Buckminster Fuller C60. That means 60 carbon atoms are arranged in the football-like structure. That is called fluorine. First allotrope of carbon is diamond. That means diamond's properties is very well known for us. That means diamond is used as an ornament. Most hard thing, having very crystalline form, having the shape of tetrahedral structure. That means one carbon atom attached with the 4 carbon atoms. This shows the structure is tetrahedrally bounded. Each carbon atom is hybridized, the sp3 hybridized. That means there is no free electrons are present in diamond cells, in diamond structure. This is the reason, guys, diamonds are the bad conductor of electricity. Just know the things, and you have to answer the questions very brightly. Another hand, many person ask, and we also ask in the CBSE examinations, what is the reason graphite is a good conductor of electricity? When you draw the structure of graphite, you will see that each carbon atom is continually bounded by 3 atoms of another carbon. That means 1 free electrons are present in graphite, and this is very suitable to carry the charge. That is the reason graphite is a good conductor of graphite is a good conductor of electricity. On the other hand, diamond is not, because diamonds are free structure. There is no free electrons present in it. So these all are the criteria of the formations of diamond and graphite in it. So in today's we all are here to learn only. In next class we will learn about from this, that means another